You want to marry my daughter?
Yes, sir.
Do you love her?
Yes.
Does she love you?
Yes.
Then congratulations, you're married. So, I'm here to ask for your daughter.
I know. Are you ready?
Ready? For what?
For your ultimate test. If you answer all of these questions correctly, you will get my daughter.
But nobody told me anything about
Do
it.
you have a university degree?
Yes.
Are you rich?
Yes.
Is your father rich?
Yes.
Is he gonna be my friend and buy me a new car every year?
I will tell him.
Do you wanna have kids?
What? With you? I'm sorry, go on.
Do you listen to Arabic music?
Yes.
Do you agree to play Arabic music in the wedding?
Yes.
I think we're done.
Oh, thank God! Did I pass?
You already passed when you said you were rich. Oh, there's one question left.
Oh God, what is it?
Are you a doctor?
No.
Get out!